Hello there, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be opening up some more capsules. If you remember, last time we got some of the new ones. We got like 3 of these, and yeah, and then another time, yeah, we got that. So this time we're just gonna be trying to get some more of these because these are my favorite cats and I want to get a few more. So anyways, let's just get right into the video. And first bit of cat food spent. I might not have enough for the second bit. Okay, we do need a bit of XP, so I might just nah. Please say that we at least get one Uber Super. Doesn't look like we are. Oh, that's not good. It's a pretty short video, but I don't have any more next time that we get a bit more. Yeah, we'll try to do this again, but there's only 1 day left, so not very good. Yeah, I'll come back when I get some more cat food. See ya.